So when you import an image inside of Corel Draw, you can import out with different options. So if I were to go around onto the file menu and then go to import, let's say for example right here, then I have an option to import the image in many ways. So over here you can see that right now this format is being selected. So let's just go around onto all file formats, and over here you can see that I have an image right here that I can import out. If I were to go around onto import, then I simply go ahead and click right here, just like this. What happens is that the image is imported. But what I can do is I can go around onto file, and then I can go to import right here, just like this. And let me just go around onto my photo collection folder right here, and then go to the down arrow button right here. So what you can do is you can actually import this as an externally linked image. That means the image right here is not imported in the project file itself, but is actually linked with the drive. So if you were to actually go ahead and delete out the image from your drive, then it won't show up over here because it is using the original file for reference to save the file space of the project. Apart from that, you can also see that you got different options, like you can resample and load right here. Once you want to resample, that means you can go ahead and resize this out to whatever you want. Let's say, for example, you need a lower resolution image, then you can simply go around and say, let's say, for example, 300 by 200 pixel right here, maintain out the aspect ratio, and then go around and utilize the units as you like, press OK, and then what happens is that it gets resampled so that you get a lower resolution of image right here. Let me just go around onto import again and choose this one, let's say for example, and I'm going to go around over here and then choose this one, and then around over here on the import setting, let me just go around onto crop and load. Once you do that, you can simply go around and crop the area that you like, just like this, and then you can go around and press OK so that only that area is actually loaded out right here. And those are the image importing options inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.